Hi, I'm Carolyn, and this is the Advanced Cheek Shaper. So you make a V, turn, place your fingertips so that touching your nose, your middle finger, and put your index finger below. Take your thumbs as little anchors. You're going to make a big O and smile and squeeze. Okay, now you're going to move over a little bit. Big O, smile and squeeze. Relax, move over. Again, you're going to smile and squeeze. Again, the beginning, fingers touch the nose, smile and squeeze. Move over, big O, smile and squeeze. Move over, big O, smile and squeeze. And there you go.